What's up, guys? Pandora, the postcard diva. How's everybody doing out there? I hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. If you haven't checked out my projects to see what I got going on, go to the link in the description. Go to www.coffeeandcoins.info. All right? Check it out, see what I got going on. Real quick, just want to do a update, if you will, for my #1 interactive digital marketing program. All right, for 2025 and beyond. Okay, the Legacy Builder program. So anyway, just want to point out a few things. Okay, it's tons and tons of value to this program, but just want to point out a few. All right, so let's go check it out. Now, if you go to www.coffeeandcoins.info, you're going to get this page and you're going to see this image right here, right? This image will take you over to the third-party marketing system that I'm using, the Networker Central. All right, but if you want the free sales funnel, that whole marketing system that comes with the Legacy Builder program, you're going to need to go to www.thecopypastemethod.com, and I'll put that in the description as well, and I'll specify free sales funnel. Okay, that is the 2.0 free sales funnel that they just created. All right, so let's go over a few things. So #1, if you're looking for a way to earn online, even if you have no experience, you never heard of affiliate marketing, digital marketing, any of that, making money online, this is a perfect program because of the interactive training that you're going to get. Okay, we've got folks in this program from 18 to 80 plus years old. All right, so you don't have to be technical. You don't have to know anything, but you do have to be able to follow instructions. All right, so if you can do that, be consistent. Of course, I can't tell you what you're going to make. There's no guarantee because I don't know your work ethics. But what I do know is the system has been proven. I've been promoting it since it actually launched of last year, March of 2024. And I have earned from the program instant commissions, and I've seen thousands of other people doing it as well. All right, so it's all what you do with the blueprint. It's up to you. Okay, because you have to take action to make it work. Okay, this is not a program where you can just sit back, join it, and hey, I'm waiting for sales to just fall in my lap. Not gonna happen. All right, but what it does do is provide you with, okay, all the tools and resources you need to make it happen. Okay, so let's point this out. Whether you know it or not, there's a lot of digital programs out here. Tons and tons and tons. A lot of great ones out here as well. There are some programs, guys, I don't know if you know it, that charge you a monthly fee. Okay? With the Legacy Builder program, there is no monthly fee at all. Okay? One-time payment. With the program, you get a free marketing system. Okay? Sales funnel, email autoresponder. I mean, you get mentoring, coaching, all those things. A lot of programs charge you thousands of dollars. You have to get certain levels of the program to be able to get access to the coaching and all that. All that's included. Even if you joined, if you purchased the $100 program with this, the $100 program, you get it all. Okay, as far as training, you get the same mentorship and coaching that we all get. What you won't get, though, is the interactive piece. Okay, that comes with the Legacy Builder program. Okay, but we'll talk about that. Either way, is step-by-step daily videos. It's going to tell you exactly what you need to do. Right? So with this program, there is no monthly fees. No chargebacks because it's not network marketing. It's not MLM. It's a direct sales member-to-member program. When folks go to your website and they make a purchase, you're going to be paid instantly and directly. There's no middleman here. There's nobody holding your commissions. All right? Instant payments. All right? That's what I love about it. All right, so the Legacy Builder program live. That's the other thing. You're getting live weekly training. And if you can't make the training live, it's recorded. All right, so you can earn up to $900 per day with this program. The Legacy Builder program isn't just another course. It's live, interactive, with real-time coaching, expert guidance, and a thriving community. Over 50,000 people in this community. All right, paid members. Everybody has purchased a program. Okay, we just don't have tire kickers sitting around in a community, all right, that hadn't joined. They're just looking around, seeing what's going on. Everybody has purchased a program. All right, so you're going to get the support you need. Doesn't matter where you are in the world. This is a global opportunity. Okay, so as long as you got a Wi-Fi connection and a smart device, you can work the program. Okay, all right, so you get support. So you're in business for yourself, but you're not by yourself. And then you're going to learn how to automate this business online, step by step. Whether you're a busy parent or a burned out professional, a network marketer, or a 9-to-5, whoever you are, they're going to show you how to do this business as simple as possible. This way you can create an automated online income stream. Again, no experience is required. Perfect for beginners. Just plug in, learn, and earn. Okay? And the blueprint that you're given is only going to take you 2 hours a day to actually work that blueprint. Okay? So it's not one of those programs where, oh, I got to sit in front of my computer for hours on end, learning and learning and learning. No. Within 2 hours, you can get all your income producing activities done. And of course, you don't have to do all the activities in one setting. You can do 30 minutes here, 15 minutes here, hour here, in between your breaks and what have you. Okay, so what I wanted to point out is, check this out. I thought this was actually incredible. The program has paid out or generated $29 million in 10 months. Okay, folks have bought these programs. They have a $100 program, $300 program, a $600 program, and a $900 program. One-time payment, no monthly fees. That's what this program has generated. Shout out to Digital Growth Community. You gotta give it to them. That's incredible. Incredible. Again, over 50,000 members engaged in the community. All right. So what I wanted to point out, they did add this. Okay, you've got to be a Legacy Builder member, the $900 program, to be able to get this certification. They have what they're calling the Licensed Reseller Certificate. Okay, so you can get certified and keep 100% of the profit. So you'll get this actual certificate, but you can't get it unless you have purchased the $900 program. You must be a $900 program member, which is the Legacy Builder program. Okay, so check this out though. I really like what they've put together, this blueprint, right? And I'm going to show it to you. So let's look here. Hang on a second. Okay, again, you can go check this out at www.thecopypastemethod.com to get this free sales funnel, right? And this free marketing system. So you can discover how to earn 100% profit from a done-for-you digital business. This Freedom Formula Blueprint, okay? This blueprint guide walks you through the steps that have helped thousands of people leverage a digital business blueprint to build a sustainable automated income. Now, I've taken it and I put my name on it. Okay, so that's the other thing you can do. You can brand it, put your name on it. In this guide, you'll discover the exact steps to leverage a proven blueprint and turn it into a profitable online business. Okay, I'm not going to read it all. I'm just thumbing through it so you can see what we've got here. Why a done-for-you digital business? Beginners looking to start an online business without the learning curve. All right, it's perfect for beginners because it's step by step to profiting from the proven blueprint. All right, so this is what they have provided, which I love. So you're going to set up your funnel, your digital funnel. And remember, it's a free funnel that comes with the program. Whether you purchase the 100, the 300, 600, or 900, you get a free marketing system, okay? So digital business runs on an automated system known as a sales funnel. You just need to get your domain. You got the website is $39. The company's going to give you that. You're going to plug into it, follow the instructions on how to set everything up. You get a lead capture page system. You get a checkout system, because you got to have a system that's going to collect the payments for you. Okay? So you can decide which one of those processors you want to use, but the system will do that automatically. And then the program will be automatically delivered to your customers. Whoever buys from you, when they click the link, the system is going to give them access automatically. You don't have to do anything, okay? So this system will ensure your buyers receive their products instantly after they make their purchase. All right? So step by step to profiting. So you're going to optimize your marketing strategy. So how are you going to do that? And again, all the training is included. So they show you how to use social media marketing. You can leverage TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, what have you. Any of those platforms, okay? Community engagement, they teach you this. The training is included. Shows you how you can join different Facebook communities or groups, all right? So that you can promote your offer. And then, of course, you've got the referral side where you encourage other folks to refer others by offering incentive, word of mouth. Marketing can significantly boost your reach, letting people know, hey, check this out. Look what I'm a part of. That's sharing the opportunity. Just like you share a movie, you tell people about it, right? And let the system do the selling and telling, guys. I say that over and over. Don't try to explain this to people. Just give them your link, your website, your domain. Let the system do the selling and telling. All right. So with this, you're going to be able to build your email list and automate your sales. All right. I'm telling you, I can't tell you how many sales I've gotten from email marketing, where the system is sending out the emails on my behalf, or me personally sending emails to my audience. All right. People stay on your list for years. And one day they finally just go, bing, the light bulb goes off, or something triggers them to say, well, let me look into this. And they sign up. So you've got to build your list. And you'll be able to do that with this system. It's powerful. All right. So high conversion rates with the emails that they're going to give you. You're going to get with this new system, the 2.0 Legacy Builder. They got 30 new emails included in this thing. Okay. So step 5 will be build and monetize your email list. All right. You're going to get the opt-in forms. All this is included. So don't let it overwhelm you. I'm just showing you what's included in this blueprint. And again, you'll get access to this. So if you're ready to start your done-for-you profitable business, a done-for-you digital business is an excellent way to generate 100% profit with minimum effort. Of course, you got to do the work. Once you put the system in place, your job is just to drive traffic to it, drive traffic to it, drive traffic to it, okay? Collect the leads. The system is collecting the leads and sending out those automated emails on your behalf. All right? So this is it. All right, go check it out, www.thecopypastemethod.com. All right, and then see this PDF. Once it says here, visit the link in the email. So it's telling people, you can put this in your email, and it's telling them to go back to the link in the email to go ahead and get signed up. All right, so you'll get access to this. All right, this is already done for you. I didn't create this. I can't take the credit for it, but you'll get access to this as well. So now, real quick, let's look at the different programs that you can select from. All right, so let's check it out. All right, so there's 4 income streams in this program. All right, get in where you fit in is what I like to say. And this is the Legacy Builder Program 2.0. All right, so of course they have the $900 program. It's $900. You get all 4 programs, and it's $39 for your website. So it'll be $939. All right. But that way you're leaving no money on the table. All right. Then they have 3 other programs that you can check out. Let me show you what they are. All right. They have the Digital Mastery Program. That's $600. and that would be $639, and that would include 3 income streams: 100, 300, and 600. Digital mastery, okay, or passive daily pay blueprint is $339. Now with that one, you'll have 2 income streams, the 100 and the 300, and it specifies this on the website. Okay. Then we have a low entry program called the Launch Pad. It's $100, so it'll be 100 plus 39, and that's 1 income stream. And remember, you can always upgrade as well, guys. Okay, so even if you have to come in at the Launch Pad, I wouldn't stay there. Okay, because that is limiting yourself to just $100. Someone may go to your website or have heard about the program and decide, hey, you know what, I want to go all in. And then you would not have that program. You would not have purchased it, so you wouldn't be able to earn the commissions. All right. So again, you can always upgrade though, but I like to put it out there for you. All right. These are the options. If you have to come in there, fine, but just don't stay there, because you don't want to put any limits on your potential, right? So there they are, the 4 programs. Decide where you want to get in. I like this new website they have because they have all these testimonies on it. All right, so when folks get this in their emails and they click the link, they can read over this and they can listen to all these testimonies of real people, different walks of life, teachers, retirees. I mean, it's just a vast amount of folks in the opportunity from all cultures and different niches, right? So, not to mention, they include these bonuses that you're going to get. All these bonuses, I'll let you check them out at your leisure. Doesn't matter which program you actually purchase, you'll have access to all these 7 bonuses that you're going to get, okay? So, what I want you to do is go check it out, www.thecopypastemethod.com, so that you can get the free system, okay, step by step, and you get that PDF that I'm talking about, that I just showed you, right? You get that. Look at this, all these testimonies on this page. It's incredible. Love it, love it, love it. They've done a great job with it. Of course, I've updated my system with the latest 2.0 version, the new capture pages, and all the new emails that they've included. All right, so that's it. That's all. Just want to update you guys on that. Again, no monthly fees. Remember that. And we don't have what is it, downline, upline, any of that here. It's direct sales. Okay, it's direct sales. Okay, so there's not a hierarchy of a downline or passing up sales, any of that. Everybody that purchased from your website, you get the commissions for it straight to your account. No middleman. All right, guys. So go check out this opportunity and see how you could possibly earn up to $900 a day with this step-by-step program. All right, link in the description, www.thecopypastemethod.com for the free system. All right, if you have any questions, reach out to me. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.